I'm Fox Meyer. I'm from Washington, D.C. I study geology. I've been doing that for 5 years now, one of which will be at Otago. With climate change, water levels are rising and they're going to start to threaten the human developments that have decided to build in and around its area. We have some idea of how water behaves once it's underneath South Dunedin, and if we can understand why it's doing what it's doing, we can maybe start to interact with it in a more cohesive way. What attracted me to New Zealand geology was the field schools. I had the opportunity this semester to take a lot of my time and spend it in the fields, which is an opportunity that you can't really get in most places in the world. There is not a better field area than New Zealand. The vibe that I get from professors is that they actually have the time and the energy to think about each one of their students as individuals. And it's not just that you're a student there to complete a degree, it's that hopefully you're genuinely interested in the subject and the professor should share the same interest with you. I found an environment that I can succeed in here, and I intend to succeed as much as possible. So if you can find a place to collaborate and a place that you enjoy researching, why leave?